Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the purple brick clownfish in Heartopia during the Modular Street event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the brick fish in Heartopia. I'm going to show you how the fish looks like. I'm going to open up my fish observation. Okay, this is the purple brick clownfish. And if you want to catch this fish guys, you can go to this area. Okay, as you can see here for the source, it's from the East Sea. So if you want to catch this fish, just go to the East Sea and you can catch it in any weather condition. I'm already at the East Sea where we can find Vanya. This is Vanya new location during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, and right here guys. Okay, just go to the East Sea and you're going to start fishing. And if you're lucky, you will get the purple brick clownfish. Or you can join the brickfish event by Fanya to increase your chance to get the brickfish. The purple brick clownfish. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the purple brick clownfish in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!